So, this is your new magical morning mindset. I want you to wake up and I want you to set a timer for 8 minutes. And I want you to imagine the day ahead. So, you're going to imagine the day that you're going to have, but you're going to imagine it going better than you ever expected. Everything turns out amazing. And get into the mindset of, okay, this is going to happen, this is going to happen. And then I want you to sprinkle some gratitude in there. And I want you to say, thank you that this happened. And if you really want to go for it, you can do the triple thank you. And thank you, thank you, thank you that, especially if you're worried about something, like let's say you have a presentation or a tough conversation that you have to have. Thank you, thank you, thank you that my conversation with Matt goes amazingly well and we are better than ever after it. Things like that. And just go through your day and have this fabulous day. So that's going to do a few things. It's going to set your mind on the right neural pathways from the get go, from the jump, from the moment your feet hit the floor. It's going to strengthen those calm and happy pathways every time you do it. And it's also going to set your energy up to have a great day.